Simple, comforting, flavor-packed one-pot chicken and rice. This is going to be your next new favorite way to cook rice because it turns out amazing, delicious, and the best part is that you'll have very few utensils to wash. We are going to start off by washing and soaking our rice, and this is 1.5 cups of long grain basmati rice. For the best outcome, always go for the best quality of rice. Now, I've prepped up several ingredients. I have some onions, crushed garlic and ginger, carrots, zucchini, some green capsicum, half a chicken that I've chopped up into small pieces, salt, a few spices which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. And because it is a one-pot recipe, we are going to get straight into cooking. So I'm going to place my pot, and whenever you're cooking rice, always use a heavy bottom pot for the best outcome. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and once the oil is ready, I'm going to add in my chicken. Cook your chicken for around 2 minutes on one side. Then you're going to flip. You can see that lovely color. As the chicken is cooking, it's going to release its own water. So you're going to cook for an extra 3 to 4 minutes. So in between, you're going to flip the chicken so that it can cook on all sides. Just by salting the chicken, you're adding in lots of flavor to the chicken, but you're still going to be adding in some more seasoning. This is how your chicken should be looking. As you can see, we have that perfect sear. So I'm going to transfer to a plate. Place aside. The oil is very flavorful at this point because we have seared in the chicken, and also it has little bits of chicken. So using the same oil, I'm going to saute my onions for around a minute until soft. Once you add in the onions, you can catch a very nice aroma. When your onions are starting to soften up, you're going to add in a thumb-sized ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. With the simplest of flavors like fresh garlic and ginger, you get a very aromatic and flavorful rice dish. So you're going to saute your garlic and ginger for around 30 seconds, and as it's cooking, the kitchen is going to smell amazing. We're building up flavor for our chicken and rice. So this is one step. When everything is ready, you're going to add in 1 large carrot that you have diced. Add back your chicken together with the chicken juices. So adding in your chicken, you're going to cook for around a minute. After soaking my rice, this is how it looks like. So next I'm going to transfer the rice into the pot. Toss the chicken and the rice and toss for around 1 to 2 minutes. As it's cooking, I'm going to be adding in a few seasoning. I have half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne powder, which is quite optional. Add in 2 chicken seasoning cubes. Add in a chicken stock cube. Toss the seasoning into the chicken. The seasoning cube, the chicken stock cube are going to add in lots of flavor to the rice. And I'm using very basic spices like paprika and garlic powder. The rice is going to have lots of chicken flavor, which is going to be so good. Also, the paprika has added in a very nice reddish color to the rice. So once I'm done toasting, I'm going to add in 3 cups of water because I'm cooking 1.5 cups of rice. Stir and wait for the water to come to a boil, and that is going to take around 30 seconds to a minute. I still have some zucchini and green capsicum that I'm going to be adding after the water comes to a boil. And also I'm going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in a little bit more salt. If you don't have the chicken stock cube and seasoning cube, you can simply add in some salt, but you'll be missing out a lot of chicken flavor in the rice. So we have already cooked the chicken for around 5 to 6 minutes. So cooking together with the rice at this point is going to fully cook the chicken. Once the water is fully evaporated, just like this, I'm going to top up with my zucchini, green capsicum. Then I'm going to cover and reduce the flames to low, simmer for around 5 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. Placing the zucchini on top together with the green capsicum is going to retain that crunchiness, which I absolutely love. When your rice is ready, you're going to put out the flames. Use a fork and fluff up everything. Garnish with some coriander, and I'm ready to serve my delicious 1/4 chicken and rice. Once your chicken and rice is done cooking, it's going to be looking amazing. The chicken is going to be very well cooked, flavorful, and the rice is going to be perfect. So this is a very nice way that you can meal prep at home, keep it in the fridge, enjoy during the week, and also you can serve up with some salad, and the dish is going to turn out amazing.